Are you poor? Do you need motivation to find a job? We introduce to you Job XP. Level up your career, a Canadian job site for tech professionals with an XP counter. Now, with the end of the pandemic, the need for job security and accessibility to new opportunities is an especially big issue as the cost of living is increasing exponentially. I mean, just take a look at the median rent of a one-bedroom apartment in Vancouver. For us, this means that the search for summer co ops and internships is becoming more and more complex, and thus can be tiring and ultimately demotivating. JobXP can help you by compiling job postings from multiple sources and gamifying the job applying experience. Now, I'll let Nick take over the demonstration.
Okay, thank you very much. So here I am on the JobXP homepage, and all I have to do is log in to a new account. So for example, I'll use old@gmail.com, and when I type in a password and log in, you can see at the top that my account is now updated. So now what I can do is I can search locations. So for example, I can search BC to search for jobs in British Columbia and type AC, and anything relating to that will show up when I click search. So basically anything with the letters A and C in them. As you can see, all the locations are in BC. So now when I click apply, I will gain 20 XP, and that is how the JobXP website works. So now I will pass it to Duncan, who will explain what's next.
So there's a few things that we need to improve on the website. We need to be able to scrape posts from Indeed and other job posting platforms, and scrape posts from LinkedIn, which is where we're getting them right now, more effectively. We need to create a system to allow companies to save their own jobs on our job board. That would be very good. More specific filtering for the different types of jobs that we're looking for, especially for remote jobs, would be very helpful. Because right now it's just a text match. Being able to save jobs onto a dashboard or a list for you to refer to later would be very helpful. The search times can be a bit slow, especially when there's more results. So increasing those, faster search times, of course, always a good thing to have. We need to add ourselves a nice bar for the XP would be nice instead of the counter, and maybe a leveling system or something like that to make it slightly more interesting. Yeah, a few other bits and pieces like that, but
All right,
that's
yeah.
about it. That's what I've got.